Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Monday, March 9, 2009. One of the things that people like to be able to do from within an application is open up the default application for a given link or file name. So for instance, if you have an URL or a PDF file, they like it if you execute something like press a button or hit something that looks like a link and have something like this happen. So here, I launched my default browser, which happens to be Firefox, because I opened this link. And likewise, I have down here a PDF file, which I've downloaded to my local file system. Notice that this is a local path, it's not an URL. So I'll do it on that. And what it does is it opens up this white paper using the preview app, because again, that's the default app on my Mac. Now, how does that all work? Well, it turns out that there is, in the latest version of Syncom Smalltalk, external web browser, which is an abstract class which will default down to the appropriate platform class. So on the Mac, it'll go down here. If you're on OS 10 like I am, it'll go to here. There's also support on Unix and of course on Windows itself. So on Windows you'll get the appropriate behavior as well. And it'll just default down and it'll give you the appropriate default app, or if there is no appropriate default app, it'll just do nothing. So for instance, if I try to launch an application for which there is no default, nothing will happen. Whereas if I'm on Windows, for instance, and I try to launch a .doc and I have Word installed, I'll get Word. So that's really all there is to it, is you send open to class external web browser with the argument being the string path name or URL to the document in question, and you'll get the right behavior. And you can put that behind buttons, you can put that behind things that look like links, you can put it behind pretty much anything, and it'll just work. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.